returning from a job, it's always important to decontaminate your HAIX boots. First thing you'll want to do is give them a good rinse off with a hose. Lift your bunker pants to get more than just the bottom portion of the boots. Also, lift the HAIX metatarsal plate and clean beneath. Be sure to spray off the tread as well. This gets all the loose dirt and grime off the boots before they are decontaminated. Double check to make sure all debris and loose dirt has been washed off. Next step is to take off your boots. And remove your bunker pants. Next step is to decontaminate your boots. By pulling the release handle on the lace lock, loosen the laces to ease cleanup. HAIX recommends using pure green or a similar disinfectant when cleaning your boots. Spray on the pure green or other disinfectant thoroughly around the boot. Next, use HAIX Handy Brush Kit or another soft brush to scrub the boot. Be sure to clean all the nooks and crannies of the boot to thoroughly decontaminate your boots. Once you've done this, let them dry for about 10 minutes. Then, wipe them clean with a soft cloth. Now your boots are ready for duty.